What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Thumper again. I planned on going riding today, but Mother Nature decided that's not going to happen. And if you can see the new plastics, I finally got graphics coming, so it's time to strip the bike down, clean it up real good, get the old stickers off the parts I'm reusing, and get it ready. So I actually forgot that I can do a vlog while doing this until Rev mentioned it. Like I said, I planned on riding today. Yesterday was awesome. YummiR6 West Virginia Meetup in St. Albans was yesterday. Tons of people. You guys were awesome. Yummy, you're awesome. Rev, yeah, you know. For the past week, I've tried about 4 or 5 different times to record something to advertise for said meetup. Fortunately for me, I've had mic problems ever since. So, y'all never got to see it. And now it's over, so it's too late. Like I said, I've tried recording 4 or 5 different times. New places each time. I went to East Fork in Ohio. Would show you the footage, but that's nasty. That needs cleaned. Would show you the footage, but unfortunately, the video quality is amazing. The sound, however, sounds like, well, nothing, because there was no sound, because I had a faulty mic adapter. So, I deleted it. Now nobody will ever see it. Not even Rev. Surprise! No, that one's just as bad. Both air filters are horrible. The reason I'm not just reusing this fender, I looped out on a hill climb. It happens. I've done a deep cleaning like this once before. And I figured there's no races planned anytime soon that I'm wanting to go to. I got graphics coming. My dude's printing them up soon. So I'll just take the time to do it now. I do want somebody to take a look at this. Tell me how that does not mess with my stuff. I took something through the radiator because it comes out the other side. It completely missed the actual pieces and just took out the inners. And it doesn't leak. I think it's break time, Duke. Yep. I think I got pretty far. Okay, I'm done with my little break, but unfortunately, it is way too muggy in this house today. It's been storming all day to wear that helmet. So, I got it set up. Hopefully the cars going by, noise doesn't bother you. Hopefully you can hear this good enough. And I looked at the camera and you can see pretty much the whole bike. I also came to realize that before I go any further by taking the subframe off, I need to take it off the stand so I can get the skid plate off. If you guys were in the Charleston area yesterday and came to the meetup, I was there with this in the back of my truck. You probably saw me. I was there. Rev was there. Yummy was there. A bunch of Yummy's friends was there. Bunch of cool looking cars, man. Yummy's Lotus is sexy as hell. Sounds amazing too. There was 2 Camaros there that we can't figure out who they were. Ooh. Ooh. That was my toe. The whole reason I was stressing about not getting to go ride today was I was going to do this vlog and show you scenes from the meetup. Alright, as promised, roll that beautiful meetup footage. Holy shit, it's YummiR6. Doesn't work when you don't have glorious hair.
Oh yeah.
Oh, well, I hope you enjoyed that. So, it's been a long time since I posted. I felt really bad. We had that meetup. I wanted to post some stuff about the meetup, so you forget what time it was. After I get all this stuff on, I'll be making another video, putting the light back together. It'll look 100 times cleaner. I'll take this entire week to utilize this sink instead of a pot this time. Nice soapy water. Scrub down all the good important parts. See you guys the next time. Hope you enjoyed. Like, sub, comment, whatever you want to do. Later.